Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the cell formula. Well, the cell formula actually gives you information about what is mentioned in a cell, and you won't believe how much information it can give you. I have used this example in cell D5. I have mentioned 17.50%. Now, using the cell formula, I can know 10 things about it. So there are 10 variations to the cell formula, and the first thing is the cell address. So how do you find it? I have typed in how to use the cell formula and the condition that I've used. Like I have used the address condition of the cell formula and in this cell, so it tells me that the address of this cell is D5. How did I do it? I typed in is equal to cell cell, and it says info type and reference. The info type is address, column number, color, content, file name, format, parenthesis, prefix, protect, row, type and width. I'll explain all of these. And to select any of these, so like say address or say color, like address, type in, select it and press tab. It gets selected, press comma, and the reference would be the cell. Click that cell or type in the address of that cell for which you want to find that variation, the information. So it tells you that the cell address is D5. Over here, I wanted to find the column number. So the column number is 4. I used in the COL variation. The row number is the ROW variation. Let's use it. CELL. And if you want to use the row variation, it is here, comma, the cell, the row is 5. Same way, you get the actual contents of the cell, which is 0.175. By using the contents option, you can use the type option to know the type of entry in the cell, like B is for blank, I is for text, and V is for value. Our value is 17.5. It's a number. The alignment of cell is shown as this symbol for left, this symbol for center, and this symbol for right, and nothing is shown for numeric enter. Since it is a numeric, so nothing is shown. If I make it say text, let me mention hi. I mentioned hi over here, and the alignment is now for center aligned. The symbol is for center aligned. See? And the width of the cell is 10. The number format of the cell, it is P2. I'm using the format option. Now, what is P2? I mentioned a complete table over here for you. So P2 means this format, 0.00%. Any other format would show as G for general, FO for this type, and so on and so forth. Formatted for braces on positive value, 1 for yes, 0 for no. It is not formatted for positive values. And formatted for color negative values, 0 for no, 1 for yes, it is 0. The type of cell protection, 1 is for logged and 0 is for unlocked. So it is logged cell. I'm using the option protect over here. Let's use it is equal to cell protect. There is protect. I'm double clicking it to select it. That is also one way. And then I can also type in the cell number D5. D. And most important, the file name. So it is showing the file name over here also. See? So this is how you use the cell formula in Excel. See you in the next video.